Hey wholesalers, do you want to learn how to stand out with your marketing so buyers can easily find your deals? I'm here to show you how to do just that with Wholster. Cue the intro. In our first video, you learned how to easily create a listing on the app in less than 2 minutes. If you missed that video, we'll put a link for you in the description. Standing out to buyers when presenting your deals can take a lot of work. You might need to spend time maintaining a website or creating digital marketing flyers or email campaigns and editing pictures and generally just managing all of your marketing from a lot of different places. And you might even be paying somebody else to help you do all of that. So we created unique landing pages for each deal that you list on Wholster. And those pages, you can share them to your favorite wholesale Facebook groups, to your email list, via text, and really anywhere that you want to market your deal. And you can do it all right from your phone. So marketing your deals becomes a copy and paste, and you stand out to buyers by presenting the information that they need in an accessible format. If you've already created a listing, your deal is live on the app and can be targeted by buyers with matching search criteria. And buyers, if you want to learn how to get instant notifications for new deals that meet your criteria, we added another link in the description for our video on targeting deals with filters. All right, so let's show you how easy it is to share a listing with Wholster. We're going to pull up the app. And the first thing we're going to do is go to the main menu. We're going to click My Listings. We're going to select the listing that we want to share. At the bottom left is a share button. If you click that and hit Copy Link, that's going to copy your listing description and the link right to your phone's clipboard. So then anywhere you want to market the deal, it's just a copy and paste. And as a bonus, if you're marketing any other properties on the app, those deals are going to show up at the bottom of your listing so buyers can see those too. Marketing your wholesale deals doesn't have to be complicated. Creating convenience for your buyers is what's going to make your wholesale business stand out. And it's going to allow you to spend more time on activities to grow it. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on new Wholster features, podcast episodes, and tips to grow your real estate business. Simplify your marketing today by downloading Wholster on the App Store or the Google Play Store.